Yo, what is good, man? Welcome to the weekly bias. So I'm currently live streaming this to the Discord. So weekly bias. What is weekly bias? Where is price heading towards for the beginning of the week? That's literally what weekly bias is. And let's get into it. First of all, obviously we have to start with the news. What's gonna happen in the beginning of the week? So let's just get on with it. As you can see, okay, tomorrow, Monday. Tomorrow. All right, so little to nothing. Like we don't have that many news. Like we have this orange folder. Literally, that doesn't mean much. But we gotta remember tomorrow is Monday, and usually on Mondays it's harder to find a setup because the volatility is kind of slow. But we'll just see. Are we gonna trade tomorrow because of the volatility? But most likely yes, and most likely I'll send the signals, etc. Yeah, Tuesday is actually really good, really good. Pretty much the same, but we have this GBP news. I don't trade GBP pairs anymore that much, but still it doesn't matter that much. Okay, but still this is pretty much the same as Monday, but it's Tuesday. Tuesday has more volatility unusual, and that's pretty much it. Tuesday's clean, Monday's clean, Wednesday, wow, Wednesday, I'm not gonna trade on Wednesday. We have FOMC news, so this is later in this session, but still, if you guys don't know, what does FOMC news, all these high volatility news do? CPIs, etc. Jerome Powell, what do? It feels like the market it's just waiting for the news to come, and when it comes, it's just literally fucks up the market, and that's what happens. So I'm not gonna trade on Wednesdays. Thursdays I can trade after this PMI news. After the PMI news arrive, so which is 50 minutes after the session opens, we'll have to wait like 5 minutes or something like that, and then we can find the setup. And we have this orange folder, but we'll see. It's Thursday. So yeah, and Friday is, it's kind of, it's the same. We'll have to wait for the news to come, and then we'll get on with it. All right, but tomorrow is clean. Let's see. I'm gonna send the signals, and we'll have to see, because Monday, less volatility. So usually we can't. It's like the market doesn't give us the setup. But we'll see. Sometimes it does, But Tuesday's clean, etc. But yeah. All right. Let's get into it, okay? Weekly bias. I'm gonna do the S&P 500 and obviously the ES. It's literally the same thing. It's just the futures version for the people who live in the United States. But it's the same. I'm just gonna do on the S&P 500. It's literally the same. It's just the electric version, futures, And this is the CFD version. Okay. Weekly bias. We closed bullish. We actually broke structure on the weekly, as you can see. So we're making all-time highs, and yeah, we're super bullish. Daily bullish, really bullish, really bullish. What do we have on the daily? We have this. What is it? We have this imbalance that actually got a little bit filled, and I actually shorted on Friday. It was because it was kind of short-term sell because we had this liquidity sweep on the pre-market, and it was a solid setup, but we actually feel this imbalance a bit, and then it just got stopped out because it just bumped back to the upside, and that's unfortunate. But we had a really good week last week, only one loss, and profitable week, and the week before that was really good also, and the week before that was also really good, and yeah. All right, let's go. Daily we're bullish. 4 hour, same thing. Wow, okay, 4 hour actually broke structure right here. It's actually in these kind of situations, you gotta be clever. This is actually the most recent high, and they broke structure right here. These are just sweeping it, but here it actually broke structure and actually went above all of these, so it's actually a really good break of structure. And we're bullish on the 4-hour, bullish on the daily, bullish on the weekly, we're bullish on the 1 hour. Really good sweep, really good sweep. Fair value gap got filled. This is like optimal buys. We're making all-time highs right here. The S&P has never been this good, like this. Wow, it's just really bullish. Okay, so looking for buys in the beginning of the week, unless we get like a super high volatility, big ass liquidity sweep, which is, I'd still rather, I would look for buys anyways. But we still have this imbalance, and I'm just gonna mark out the 50% of the fair value gap to be exact. This right here. So this is the 50% of the fair value gap, and that's it, bro. That's we're super bullish, like I told you, and let's get it. New week. Okay, so we're bullish. See you tomorrow. Peace out. Have a great beginning of the week, and rest of your life. All right, see you, man. See you.